Yes, the students, our next chapter, next topic, that is time and calendar. Time and calendar. So in the previous class also we discussed about time and calendar. So then, so how to say time, so using a clock, so using wall clock, watches, and 1 minute is equal to how many seconds, and so 1 hour is equal to how many minutes, and 1 day is equal to how many hours. So 1 year is equal to how many days, 1 week is equal to how many days, in 1 month how many days we have. So about all this we discussed in our previous classes. So in this class also we are going to discuss further so about time and calendar. Time and calendar. Here, so in the warm up time, so he has given, so one clock is given. So this is clock. In this clock one small hand is there and one big hand is there. Small hand and big hand. So this is small hand, this is a big hand. So this is hours. So these are hours, 12, 3, 6 and 9. So here what he is saying, so you must know how to make so use of me effectively. So we should know how to use clock, to say time. So he is saying, so you must know, you should know so how to use a clock to say time. So this is very important in our life to know the time, so to say the time, so using clocks effectively, then how to say the times, that we must know. So that how we say the time using clocks and watches, so that we are going to discuss, that we are going to learn in this chapter, and also we are going to learn about calendar also, that's what he is saying. So you must know how to make use of this clock, so to say the time. Okay, so that concept we are going to discuss. Okay students, now so see students, in learning time about the clock he has given, see here, so this is complete clock. So here small divisions there, so these are the small divisions, these all are small divisions, so in a clock. And this big hand is a minute hand, so this small hand is a hours hand, and one more is a thin hand is there, that is a seconds hand. And these numbers are the 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the big divisions. Total how many small divisions we have in this clock? See here. So in between each and every consecutive number we have 5 small divisions. Once you check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 small divisions are there. 5 small divisions are there in each consecutive number. Okay, then total how many small divisions we have? So here 12, in each consecutive number 5 divisions are there, so means this is repeated addition. So repeated addition means we can multiply 12 5s are 60. Total how many small divisions we have? Total 60 small divisions we have. See here small divisions, the time taken by the second hand to move so past one small division is called 1 second here. So this is a seconds hand. If it moves here to here, so this small division, if it moves one small division from here to here, so then that makes 1 second. If this second hand moves one small division, so that means the time is 1 second. 1 second passed. Okay, so what is 1 second? If second hand moves one small division, then 1 second passed, that is the time is 1 second passed. Okay. So, this is about a small division calculation, means small division time, small division time. This is about complete clock. This is about complete clock. In a clock we have, so 3 hands, one bigger hand is a minute hand, small hand is a hours hand, so one more thin hand is there, that is a second hand. Second hand is always moving, so always rotating, so it cannot stop. So, okay, if it moves, one small division means 1 second. Okay. So, then these are the small divisions and these numbers are the big divisions. Okay. So, if this small hand means this second hand completes one rotation, so that means 1 minute is over, 1 minute completed. It means 60 seconds. 60 seconds. 60 seconds makes 1 minute, makes 1 minute. It means if this second hand completes one rotation, it means it moves 60 small divisions, that means 60 seconds, that is 1 minute. In 1 minute how many seconds we have? In 1 minute we have 60 seconds. In the same way 60 minutes, 60 minutes, 60 minutes make 1 hour, 60 minutes make 1 hour. In 1 hour how many minutes we have? 60 minutes. Okay. So, in 1 week 7 days we have, in 24, so in 24 hours make 1 day. How many hours? 24 hours. 24 hours make 1 day. In 1 day total how many hours we have? 24 hours. How 24 hours? So, in the midnight to, so afternoon 12 hours, again from afternoon 12 hours to 12 to afternoon 12 to midnight, again 12 hours. 12 hours plus 12 hours, total 24 hours, total 24 hours. So, 1 day, in 1 day we have 1 day and 1 night. So, in 1 day 1 night, total 1 day and 1 night 24 hours. It means, so one complete day is 24 hours. Okay. In week 7 days in 1 week, 7 days we have in 1 week. In 1 week we have 7 days. Okay. And after that in a year 365 days. 365 days in 1 year. 1 year. So, 1 year, so 365 days makes 1 year. 365 days makes 1 year. Okay, students, this is about how many milliseconds make 1 minute, how many minutes make 1 hour, how many hours make 1 day, how many days make 1 week, how many days make 1 year. Okay, and again in 1 year we have 12 months. Again in months, 12 months. So, 12 months, 1 year. In 1 year we have 12 months also, 1 year. Okay. In 1 year how many months we have? So, 12 months. Okay. Okay, students. So, as students here, so 60 seconds 1 minute and 60 minutes 1 hour. So, 24 hours 1 day, 7 days 1 week, 365 days 1 year, 12 months 1 year, and also in 1 month we have 30 days. How many days make 1 month? 30 days or 31 days. In the February month we have 28 days. In leap year 29 days we have. So, means, so in number of days in a month varies. So, here, so commonly we are taking 30 days. So, 30 days makes 1 month. But some months have 31 days and some months have 30 days. And February is having 28 days and sometimes 29 days. So, when we have 29 days, if the year is a leap year, then we have 29 days in the month of February. Okay, okay, students. So, now the students see here, so different time formats. So, here generally, so we are using 2 formats of time. So, one is AM PM, so that is 12 hours format, other one is 24 hours format. So, 12 hours format and 24 hours format. So what is the difference between 12 hours format and 24 hours format? Here suppose 8 o'clock. So 8 o'clock how to represent? 8 o'clock we can represent 8 am, 8 pm or otherwise 20. So this is the format. So 8 am and 8 pm. So this is 12 hours format. 12 hours format. So 8 am and 8 pm. So in 24 hours format, then how can we represent? Am is am only. 8 o'clock is 8 o'clock only. 8 o'clock means 8 o'clock. And in 8 pm, then how to represent in 24 hours format? So just we should add 12 to this 8. 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8, 20. We should represent like this. If 20 means 8 pm, 20 means 8 pm. So whenever pm is given, for that pm we should add 12. So then that will convert into 24 hours format. Okay, generally we have two formats. One is 12 hours format, other one is 24 hours format. Here we have a clock. So in this clock shows 12 hours format. Which format? So wall clocks, so watches, wrist watches, so that are generally in 12 hours format. 12 hours format. So in this clock the shorthand shows how many hours, and this long hand shows about minutes, how many minutes and hours. And in some clocks the second hand is also there, that represents seconds, the three main hands we have. One is a short, one is a longer hand, and one is a thin hand that represents seconds. Short hand represent hours, long hand represent minutes, and the thin hand represent seconds. Okay, so generally these clocks and wristwatches, so generally they shows 12 hours format, 12 hours format. Okay, now here am, what is am means? Am means anti-meridian. So that means before noon, whatever before noon time is there, so that is am. So means from midnight 12 to afternoon, means noon 12 before. So afternoon 12 before, whatever the time period is there, so that is am. Morning, suppose morning 7 am. So yes, school starts morning 7:30 am. Am means so before noon. Your school starts before noon. 7:30 means that should be am. Am means before noon time. Okay. Then pm, what is pm means? Post meridian. So that is post meridian. So that is after noon, whatever the time is there, means after 12 o'clock. So in the afternoon, so after 12 o'clock, so whatever the time period is there till so midnight 12, so that slot is a pm, so this is am and pm. So this shows 12 hours time format, okay. So in 12 hours time format we should use am and pm. So when we should keep 12 means before noon time period, from midnight 12 to before noon, so that time slot is a am. Then pm, so that is post meridian. So what is that? So that is after noon, after 12 in the noon, from there to midnight, that slot is a pm slot. Okay, so this is a am and pm. So this is 12 hours clock format. Okay students, next concept about 24 hours clock, digital clocks. In digital clocks, generally 24 hours format is there in digital clocks. Okay, so like before we discuss 20 hours means that is the format of 24 hours format, that is 8 pm we represented in 24 hours format as 20:00. Okay, so here, so in the digital clocks, some clocks are given in your textbook, and some wristwatches we can arrange, means we can set 24 hours format also. So that is given in your textbook. So once you check in your textbook, so that wristwatch is given a digital clock. So here some digital clocks are given. So here, so in this, the right side shows minutes and the left side number hours. Right side minutes and left side hours. So here, so total hours, minutes and seconds given. So this right side seconds, middle one minutes and this is hours. Okay. So this is about seconds, this represents seconds, the last one, the middle one minutes, this is hours, this is about hours. Okay. So these various types of digital watches given in your textbook. So in the digital watches, generally the right value, right number, right numeral, so that represents minutes, and the left numeral that represents hours. In some digital clocks, so we have three numerals. So the right one is the seconds, the middle one minutes, and the last one represents hours. Okay. So now here one table is given. So in that table 12 hours clock and 24 hours clock format is given. So in 12 hours clock, so 12 am, so that is in the midnight, 12 am that is in the midnight, then 3 am that is in the night, so 6 am so early morning, so 9 am so till here am session. So from here midday, here pm, so 12 noon, actually this is 12 noon midday, so 3 pm, 6 pm, 9 pm. So all these are pms. Some ams are given and some pms are given. If ams are given, so just we take midnight as 0, 0, 0. So midnight, so that is 12 am. So that we can represent 0, 0 hours, 0, 0 minutes. Okay. Then after that 3 am. am, whenever am is given, then we should take 3, 0, 0. am is given 6 am, 6, 0, 0. 9 am, 9, 0, 0. 12 pm means 12, 0, 0. Till 12 noon we should take same as it is. Then after that here pm starts after 12, means from so 1 pm, 2 pm, 3 pm, how to write in 12 hours. Then 12 plus 3, we should add 12 to this pm. 12 plus 3, 15, that is 1500. Then 6 pm, then how to write in 20 hours, that is 12 plus 6, 12 plus 6, 18, 1800. Now 9 pm means 12 plus 9, that is 21. So in this way, so we should convert the 12 hours into 24 hours format. So only the PM format, PM, so whatever the PM is given, that PM, so that PM time, so for that we should add 12. So then whatever will come, so that we should write in the 12 hours format. Okay, not 12 hours format, 24 hours format. So now the students here conversion. So time conversion. So how to convert time? So the first concept, so hours into minutes. How to convert hours into minutes? That concept first we are going to discuss. So in the example, so convert 4 hours into minutes. How to convert hours into minutes? First, so we should know the unit value. Unit value, so that is 1 hour. In 1 hour, how many minutes we have? 1 hour is 60 minutes. In 1 hour, we have 60 minutes. What he is asking? 4 hours. About 4 hours he is asking. So that means this 60 minutes we should multiply with 4. Then you will get so total minutes in 4 hours. So then 4 hours. 4 hours means 60 should multiply with 4. Then so multiply 6 4s are 24, and this 0 we should keep as it is, minutes. So 4 hours is equal to 240 minutes. Just we should multiply so 60 with number of hours. How many hours given? 4 hours. That unit value, unit means 1 hour. 1 hour how many minutes? 60 minutes. So with that 60 we should multiply 4. Then you will get total minutes in 4 hours. Okay. Now the second concept means second, in example second. So here convert hours and minutes into minutes. Hours given and minutes given. So here how many hours given? So 2 hours and 20 minutes. 2 hours and 20 minutes. So 3 hours and 20 minutes. How many hours? 3 hours 20 minutes given. So first hours we should convert 3 hours. First we know 1 hour. So 1 hour is how many minutes? 1 hour 60 minutes. In 1 hour we have 60 minutes. In 3 hours 20 minutes. So 3 should multiply with 60. These hours should multiply with 60. So to this answer we should add the 20 minutes. Minutes we should keep as it is. So no need to multiply, nothing. So now how to multiply? 3 6 are 18 and 1 0 is there, that 0 we should keep, and plus this 20 minutes we should add. 180 plus 20, 200 minutes. So it means 3 hours 20 minutes. 3 hours 20 minutes. 3 hours 20 minutes. 3 hours 20 minutes. Say in minutes, 200 minutes. 200 minutes makes 3 hours 20 minutes. Okay. So this is the conversion of hours into minutes. Okay. Now the next concept. So minutes into hours. Minutes into hours. Here. So the bigger hours is a bigger and minutes are smaller. So bigger convert into smaller. So we should multiply with a unit quantity. Here smaller minutes, smaller means minutes are smaller, converted into bigger. Hours are the bigger units. So then if smaller is converted into bigger, then what to do? So we should divide with a unit. So unit quantity. So what is the unit quantity here? See here. Convert 360 minutes into hour. So it means, so 1 hour we know, 1 hour 60 minutes. Here 360 minutes, then how many hours? How many hours makes 360 minutes? That means 360 divides with 60. Here we should divide. So why we should divide with a unit quantity? So because here smaller is divided into bigger. Whenever smaller converted into bigger, we should divide with a unit. So here bigger converted into smaller, so we should multiply with a unit 1. Okay. So this you should remember. So whenever bigger converts into smaller, we should multiply with a unit quantity. If smaller converted into bigger, so we should divide, so with a unit 1. Okay, unit quantity. Now here 0 0 will get cancelled. 6 1s are 6 6 are. Here 6 left means 6 hours. 6 hours. 360 minutes. 360 minutes means 6 hours. 6 hours. Just we should divide. Here convert 410 minutes into hours. So first unit 1, unit price. What is the unit 1? So 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes. Then 410 minutes. So 410 how to convert into? So minutes and hours. So then we should divide into 60. 66 360. Then minus here 0, here 5, 50. It means here this is 6 hours, 6 hours. So here the quotient represents hours. The remainder represent minutes, 50 minutes. So in this way we decide. First we divide with 60. If anything remainder left here, so that is minutes and the quotient represent hours. 6 hours, 50 minutes. That means here how many? 410 minutes. 410 minutes. 410 minutes is equal to 6 hours 50 minutes. This is the conversion of hours into minutes, minutes into hours and minutes. Okay. So now the students' next concept, minutes into seconds. The conversion of minutes into seconds. Minutes are the bigger and seconds are the smaller. So bigger convert into smaller. So then if bigger convert into smaller, so then we should multiply with a unit quantity. So here convert 6 minutes into seconds. First unit, that is 1 minute. So 1 minute how many seconds? 1 minute is 60 seconds. 1 minute means 60 seconds. Now here 6 minutes. 6 minutes, how many seconds? That is 60 into 6. This 60 should multiply with this 6 minutes. Now multiply 6 with 6. 6 6 are 36, and here 0 is there, that 0 we should keep. So this many seconds. So it means 6 minutes means 360 seconds. 360 seconds. Now here to convert, so 4 minutes 25 seconds into seconds. Here minutes are the bigger units. Bigger units convert into smaller means we should multiply with a unit. So unit quantity. So that unit quantity means minute. So 1 minute is how many seconds? 1 minute means 60 seconds. Here 4 minutes 25 seconds. 4 minutes 25 seconds means this minutes we should multiply with 60. 4 into 60, and this seconds we should keep as it is, no need to change the seconds. Now 4 we should multiply with 6. 4 6 are 24, means this 0 again we should keep, and 25. 240 plus 25, 265 seconds. 265 seconds makes 4 minutes 25 seconds. 4 minutes 25 seconds. Now, so here the seconds into minutes, we should convert seconds into minutes. Seconds are the smaller we should convert into bigger. So that means we should divide with a unit. See here, the first example, convert 400 seconds into minutes. 400 seconds into minutes means 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Then now here 400 seconds. 400 seconds means this seconds divide with 60. Then 1 0 will get cancelled. 1 0 will get cancelled. So then 6 1s are 6. 6 6 are 36. 4 left. So 4 left means 6 minutes. 4 left means 40 seconds. So 6 minutes 4 seconds, not 40. Here 4 left. 6 minutes 4 seconds. 6 minutes 4 seconds. So if you want to do in detail, so take in rough column divided by 60. 66 are 360. It is not 40. Here 40 seconds. So not 4 seconds, 40 seconds. Here 40 is the remainder. So 6 minutes 40 seconds. 6 minutes 40 seconds. Make 400 seconds. Make 400 seconds. Okay. So now the next. Convert 540 seconds into minutes. Here seconds are the smaller and minutes are the bigger. Smaller should convert into bigger. So means we should divide with unit. So unit quantity. So that is 1 minute. So 1 minute how many seconds? 60 seconds. Then 540 seconds. 540 seconds means 540 by 60. 0 0 get cancelled. 6 1s are 6 9s are 54. Then 9 minutes. 9 minutes means 540 seconds. There is no remainder, nothing is left. That means that is exactly 9 minutes. 9 minutes makes 540 seconds. Okay.